So, you want to become an expat by budgetretirementoptions.com. Introduction. So, you're thinking about leaving it all behind. The idea usually starts as a whisper, a long sigh after looking at another rent increase, a moment of envy watching someone on YouTube sipping coffee in Bali for $1, a nagging thought, is this all there is? And then it grows louder. More and more people, just like you, are looking around and wondering, what if I moved somewhere else? Somewhere warmer, somewhere cheaper, somewhere freer, somewhere I can live fully instead of just surviving. Welcome to the world of expats, ordinary people who took the leap and decided to build a life in a new country. They come from all walks of life, retirees looking to stretch their pensions, remote workers tired of overpriced cities, single moms seeking safety and better schools, adventurers craving change. And guess what? Many of them never looked back. This book is for you if you've ever seriously considered leaving your home country to start fresh somewhere new. Not as a tourist, not as a backpacker, but as a resident. It's not always easy. There will be paperwork. There will be culture shock. There will be days when you miss your favorite snacks or a certain brand of toothpaste. But there will also be joy. Lower costs, slower mornings, friendly strangers, fresh foods, surprises that make you feel alive again. For many, becoming an expat is the best decision they ever made. In the pages ahead, you'll learn what it really takes to move abroad, from choosing your perfect country and navigating visas to budgeting, healthcare, housing, and even dealing with loneliness or language barriers. You'll get practical tips, checklists, real-life examples, and up-to-date resources to help you move with confidence, not confusion. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to be retired. And you don't have to have all the answers right now. But if you're curious, if you're hungry for change, and if you're brave enough to consider a life outside the box, you're already halfway there. Let's explore what's possible. Chapter 1. Are you really ready to become an expat? Becoming an expat sounds exciting. You picture sunsets on the beach, cheap rent, maybe even a fresh start. But before you pack your bags, it's time to ask the big question. Are you truly ready to leave? Leaving your home country is more than a vacation. It's a lifestyle change. You're not just going to a new place, you're stepping into a new way of living. Different rules, different food, different people, different systems. So before we talk about where to go, how to get a visa, or what to pack, let's take an honest look at you. Why do you want to leave? Ask yourself, are you running away from something or towards something better? Are you fed up with high prices, stress, politics, or just feeling stuck? Or are you chasing adventure, simplicity, or a slower, more joyful life? There's no wrong answer, but being clear on your why will help you stay focused when challenges pop up later. Traits of a successful expat. Living abroad isn't just about money or location, it's also about attitude. The most successful expats usually have these qualities. Flexibility. Things won't always go as planned. Can you adapt?
You've reached the end of this preview. To listen to the full title, you can buy it in your player.